Hey guys, welcome to Digit, and this is going to be an unboxing of the Boat Rockers 510 portable Bluetooth wireless headset. Now this is an over-ear headset, as you can see from the diagram, as well as there's a small window on the side that gives you a glimpse of the device. On this side we don't have anything aside from the window itself, and you can get a clearer view. Coming to this side, we have a little bit of branding, so we're going to skip ahead to the back side. Over here we have some additional information. It says the microphone has volume control. You can play the device, you can play music wirelessly. That's kind of the whole point. And because you can connect this to your phone, you can have a hands-free experience for answering your calls. The ear cups are soft. It's compatible with Android, iOS and Windows. Don't have any Windows phones around, but you can always connect this to your Windows laptop or desktop. And it has built-in rechargeable batteries. Over here we have some timing. These would be for the playback. Music playback is rated for 10 hours. That's quite a lot. Charging time is 2 hours maximum. And when you do charge it for 2 hours of maximum, you get a standby time of up to 180 hours. The standby is when you're not playing anything on the headset. That's about all the marketing material we can see on the packaging. Let's proceed by unboxing. There's the headset. So let's see what else is inside. You have a little brochure for all the other products that Boat is selling around the same time. Oh, and the warranty card also happens to be part of the instruction booklet. So this is something you might need to fill up. It doesn't say whether you have to send it across. And how you can get in touch with Boat in order to claim your warranty or just talk to them in general. Then you have the cable, or other cables, because you have two of them. This is a flat cable for the audio. As you can see, it's TRS, tapering sleeve. So they're just for the speakers. Then you have a charging cable. On one hand you have a micro USB, and on the other you have a normal USB 2.0. This is not USB 3.0. we don't see additional pins, just the 4. So this is what you use to charge the device, and that's about it. We can have a little look at the headset. See control buttons, charging port, markings of the cup, and a little bit of flex. So that was the unboxing of the Boat Rockers 510 wireless headset. Thank you for watching.